Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find the settings. Here let's choose Apps and Notifications and click on Advanced. Here we've got Special App Access, so simply tap on it, and here we've got Install Unknown Apps, so let's tap. As you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. If you want to allow, for example, Chrome to install something, simply tap on it, and let's tap on the switcher right next to Allow from this source. Let's get back, and as you can see, from now on you will be able to install something from Chrome. If you want to turn it off, nothing easier, simply tap on it and click on the switcher. Let's get back, and as you can see, from now on you won't be able to install anything from Chrome. So that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.